To use featured AR video as your call background on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, open Phone app, tap More icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right, and then tap Setting, tap Call Background. Next, tap the background icon at the bottom of the screen. Under Featured section, tap AR Video Thumbnail. By default, the sound of the video will be used as ringtone. To preview the sound, tap the volume icon at the bottom left corner of the AR video preview. To save your selection, tap Set as Call Background. By doing this, when you make or receive calls, the featured AR video will be sound as the call background and your phone will play the video sound as ringtone for the incoming call. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.